Alright, I'm playing Battlefield 1 today, and yeah. Alright. So, yesterday I got a dog tag. While is that? And it is called The Room. It's pretty much an Easter egg dog tag, similar to the ones around it. So, I'm gonna teach you how to get it. First thing you gotta do, go on server browser. Alright, change Capriato to 40 rocks. I recommend you do this on an empty server, because then if someone joins you, most likely they'll just leave. So let's see, we have an empty server right here. Let's get in. Right, so I loaded in, skipped that. First thing we gotta do, there are like little things. There are these signs located around the map, and then I'll go in order, and then so shoot that. You shoot them or melee them, and then you click the button, and then you move on to the next one. Simple. That one's pretty easy. Right, that one's M, so that one's for later, right there. But then we have S over here. Get that. Right, nice. Look at the detail on this map, it looks so cool. This is another one of my favorite maps because there's no vehicles, and also because it's just like the detail on this map is absolutely insane. So we gotta go down to this little bit here to get S. No, not O. Oh, yeah. O's right here. Bonk that. Click the thing. Alright, next thing we gotta do is we gotta go. Hang on a sec. I think I might have forgot. Just like I forget everything. Right. Where do I go? The next one's L, but I forgot where I go. So, hang on. Alright, let me check real quick. Right. Oh, no, it isn't that. I'm sorry this is taking so long. I'm still looking. Let me pull it up. Skip ahead. Alright. Oh wait, you don't have to. Alright, I know where I'm going now. It should be right there by the door. It is L. Ice. It's ISOL. And then the next one's E. I think you spell out Iceloman, something like that. So yeah, move down here. Alright. Also, thank you for the 2 new subs. Whoever they both are, I really appreciate both of you, because like I gave out the shout out to my second subscriber, I'm really little star on YouTube, so I'm really happy that you guys subscribed, both of you, and I hope you keep on watching my videos. Alright, so the next one. Look at these machines. I think these machines are actually on, what is it? They're on that like Turning Tides map, the one where's the dock, Zebra. There's like a thing you can get if you do that over there. I think Jack Fags did a video on it. Maybe you could go look for that one after this. Jack Fags also did a video on this one. Might help if you go watch him, but if you watch me do it, carry on doing it, then thank you for that. So yeah. Alright. So, hang on. Let me take a little quick look. Alright. So we are... Alright, I know where I'm going. So you go down there. You have to go to like the little bump. Just look at my mini map. Every time I stop at a place, that's where the next letter is. Alright, due to my calculations right there. E, and then it's M-E-N-T. T is very close to the thing where it opens. Oh no, I kind of just spoiled it, but oh well. We can act like we didn't know. Alright. Next one's over here. Get that. P. Whatever that one was. I think it was E most likely. Next one's N, I think. Let's see. Oh wait, no. The last one was N, sorry. And then you follow down here, and then... where is it? Alright, open that up. It should be right there, that. Alright, there's T right there, the final letter. Shoot that, interact with it. And then it should be, hang on, where is it? Oh, there it is. And then you should click that. And then let's see what happens. Alright, so isolament door has opened. There's a pipe and we're gonna use that later. Let's take a little quick look around. Get a little look. Alright, so first thing you gotta do, go over there, throw down a flag, and then it wakes up whatever the thing is down there. Sounds pretty terrifying. Alright, so here's a step to this one. Every time you hear the monster, like every time you hear the monster bang on the pole, you gotta throw your flag down. You gotta do that 5 times, and then it will get kind of angry and move off. I recommend you do this on support, this part. Also for the next part, you need a knife to do it. So get a knife and be a support with an ammo box so you can resupply grenades so you don't have to reset and go back every single time. So yeah. You can skip this part if you want to, you get the idea. So yeah, if you want to watch this, I'm fine with that, but it will be quite boring. So yeah. Well, thank you for whoever subscribed. I'm really happy about that. Like 4 subscribers on my 3rd day. Not so bad. Very happy with that. So yeah, we'll just chill out, I guess, while the monster makes his noises. So like anytime on Jack's Fags, it says only on a certain time, but I realized anytime the monster bangs like on a pole, you throw down a flag. Because it doesn't matter, because every time, if you do it correctly, then it'll scream back up at you. So yeah, he really doesn't like getting fags thrown at him. Alrighty. This is taking so long. Come on, bang a pole, bang a pole. There we go. Alright, one more flag, I think. I've lost count. Alright, that's the one, because that one was loud. You get the heads up on it if you hear like a buzzing sound, like just like what happened now. Then you see that the water supply's been unlocked. You have 2 faucets. Interact with one. So look, interact with one, and then it'll start doing the water drainage pipe. Interact with both of them for safety measures, and then it'll start dripping water. Then you gotta start banging on the poles. Like, it could be any of them. So yeah, you get the idea. Trust me, it makes a weird noise. It makes a weird noise if you got it correct in the right spot. And I don't need to play that because first of all, you're gonna see it. Second of all, because like, it's just like, you know. So yeah. Look. So that's regular noise. This here. You can skip this part if you want. It's a bit boring. You get the idea. Bang the pole 5 times until it correctly does it. It could also be this one over here. So let's see if it is. By the way, keep on banging on the pole. Like, keep on banging on it if it makes that weird noise. Like, you need to do it until it makes its normal noise again. Then it moves to a new location. Right, so I've done it. And now we gotta do it. In the kitchen, one of the bathroom things have codes. It's 9L 6R. Hang on. 9L 6R 2L 3R. So I will put it up on the screen right now. So obviously the L and R stand for left and right. So you need to do first this one 9 times. Right, then you do this one 6 times. 1. Make sure to count. It is really helpful. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you gotta do this one 2 times, I believe. 1, 2. Right, then you do this one 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Right, that should have worked. I think I might have gotten it wrong. So I did do it right, and here's a little clip of me doing it. I did get it right, so it's 9L 6R 2L 3R. Do that order, and this is me actually doing it. So yeah. Alright, so what you just saw is it did the Battlefield 1 theme song, and then you hear ching ching, and then if you get that, you unlock the dog tag right here. This is what it looks like with the rest of them. So I hope you like this video, and thank you, like and subscribe, and hope you have a good day.